Every payday feels the same for millions of people. You stare at your balance, trying to decide whether to save, invest, or just survive until the next check. Everyone talks about perfect timing and fast wins, but your money never seems to move forward. Social media makes money look easy. You see overnight success stories, lucky trades, and people flexing results without showing the struggle. The loudest voices sell excitement, not peace, and it quietly trains you to chase wins instead of building stability. Doing nothing feels safe, but it's the most dangerous choice. Time keeps moving while prices rise and your savings slowly lose power. The real fear isn't failing, it's waking up 10 years later wishing you had started today. What if the reason you're not making real money is that you're still following the wrong rules? I'm Max, and this is Max Focus, where we rewire your mind and redesign your life. Stay with me, subscribe for clarity over confusion. This is for education only, and today you'll learn the money beliefs you must unlearn to make real progress. Most people believe they need the perfect moment to start investing. They wait for the market to feel safe, for news to sound positive, or for confidence to magically appear. But the truth is, waiting for perfect timing keeps you stuck exactly where you are. Here's what actually works: starting small and staying consistent. Investing $100 a month for years quietly beats waiting 5 years just to drop $1,000 all at once. Time in the market matters far more than trying to outsmart it. People think smart investors time things perfectly, but most don't. Real investors build habits, not predictions, and they don't stare at charts all day. It's like going to the gym. You don't wait to be fit before you show up. You get fit by showing up. A lot of people believe their money problems will disappear the moment they earn more. But the truth is, if your habits don't change, more income just gives you bigger problems to manage. Money issues are rarely about how much you make, they're about how you behave with what you already have. Think about this. Someone earning $60,000 a year who saves $500 a month will win long term. Meanwhile, someone making $100,000 but saving nothing stays stuck. Income helps, but discipline decides who actually builds wealth. The real danger is lifestyle inflation. Every raise quietly upgrades your car, your house, and your stress. That's why more money doesn't always mean more peace. Real wealth feels like control, confidence, and fewer arguments about money at home. Most people think money should feel exciting, like a rush or a big win. But real wealth usually feels quiet, steady, and honestly a little boring. And that boredom is a sign you're doing it right. Skipping a $5 coffee doesn't feel thrilling in the moment, but that small choice adds up to $150 a month and over $1,800 a year. Quiet decisions like this build real momentum without stress. The mistake is chasing adrenaline instead of stability. Wealth works more like brushing your teeth than riding a roller coaster. It's boring, repeatable, and powerful over time. Most people secretly want someone else to be responsible for their money. They follow gurus, trends, and hot tips hoping the thinking is done for them. But the truth is simple: no one will ever care about your money more than you do. Taking ownership doesn't mean becoming a finance expert overnight. It means checking in with your money regularly, even just 15 minutes a week. That small habit compounds into clarity, confidence, and better decisions over time. Copying others without understanding your own situation is like having a map but never driving the car. Advice can guide you, but action is always your responsibility. Real wealth begins the moment you take the wheel yourself. If you want to make real money, you must stop waiting for perfect timing. Wealth isn't built by excitement or secret tricks, it's built by behavior. Boring habits beat emotional decisions. And when you take responsibility for your money, you don't lose freedom, you create it. You don't need new strategies. You need new thinking. Unlearning bad beliefs is often more powerful than learning new tactics. If this message helped you, support the journey. Like this video, subscribe for more mindset clarity, and share it with someone who feels stuck. And now I want to hear from you. Which belief do you need to unlearn? What money habit is hardest for you right now? Write it in the comments. This is Max Focus, where we rewire your mind and redesign your life. Until next time, stay curious and stay intentional.